How to block someone on Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can block someone on Messenger without them knowing. Now, blocking someone on Messenger can be done this secretly, preventing them from sending you a message without them being notified. Here's how you can block someone on Messenger without them knowing. So first of all, update your application and then log into your Facebook Messenger. Now, once you're logged into your Facebook Messenger, you'll be directed to the chat page. Here, you'll be able to see all of the chat history. So from here, you'll need to select the particular contact to whom you actually want to block. Now, for example, I'm just gonna go with this particular contact. After that, tap the I button from the top right hand side. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit. You can see this block button. Now, tap on the block button in case if you want to block this particular contact on Facebook as well. Then tap on or toggle the button, and if you only want to do it on Messenger, just tap on top option, that is block message and call. Once you've done that, you need to confirm by tapping on the block button. After that, you've successfully blocked the contact. Now he or she will no longer be able to call you or message you on Messenger. So that's basically how you can block. So when you block someone on Messenger, they won't be able to contact you via Messenger, but it does not block them on Facebook. Now, blocking on Facebook and Messenger are separate action as well. So this is basically how you can block someone on Messenger without them knowing. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.